Hello friends, and welcome back. In this class we are going to discuss about some more function. So as we discussed in our last class about append, prepend, after and before function. So we are just going to remove this here. In this class we will discuss about empty and remove function. So in our last class we have learned how we can add text inside element before the available text or after available text. So it was a topic in our last class, how we can add a text. So in this class we will discuss how we can remove that text, how we can remove the element, how we can make empty that element. So inside this div I'm just going to insert some more text like hey guys, let's come and learn JQuery course. Copy this, Control C, paste. We have just this much text. Control S. Now we can come back here and or you can go to run menu, launch in Chrome. So we have this much text. You can just copy or paste some more time. Control S and refresh. So we have a div tag. Inside the div tag we have this much text and we have a button here. So you can see, so you can just come here and remove this. Instead of this we are going to use empty function. So you need to just remove this also from here. Control S. Now come back and refresh. Click on this, so you can see the whole of element body is empty. But first we have this much text here, but by clicking on this button you can remove this text, but only text, not element. So I'm just going to write here empty function will remove only the text, not element. So this for empty. Make this duplicate. So remove function will remove both text and element. So here if you are using empty, so you can see this the result. Once again refresh. Just by clicking on this button you can remove this text only. But in case if you are using here remove, so Control S, you can see the result. Refresh, click here. So by just clicking this button you can remove the text and element, both of them. So this is the difference between empty and remove. Empty function will remove only the text, no element, not element. Remove function will remove both, it means text and element. So you can see the result. Refresh, we have text and element. Just by clicking on this button this will be removed. You can see, due to we have used here remove function. So this two function was remains. I forgot to tell about this in our last class, so that's why I created this class for these two function. So in this class we are just going to end the function here. We have discussed about many function. So just watch the videos, all the videos that we have done completed in our previous classes, and do practice. So till next class, have a nice time and see you.